Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avirash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of gold USD, and as you can see, I am in the 4 hours time frame. As we all know, last week market saw heavy selling pressure. Market broke all these support levels. In fact, currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD also saw heavy selling pressure after the FOMC meeting when dollar became very strong. And after the market opening on Monday, we can see that market did not go down. Rather, market tried to hold a position, and you can see that right now bulls are trying to take the price upward. There is not much movement in the market, but the good news is that market is not going down further. Market is trying to hold the previous week's close, and that is the only good news. And as we all know, market always move from higher volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. So considering the thumb rule of volatility in the market, seeing the volatility of the previous week, there is a possibility that market will remain sideways or market will remain flat for 1 or 2 days, because whenever market become very volatile, then after that market needs to take risk. You'll always see that when a market goes up sharply, okay, after some time market either comes down or market goes sideways. And if a market falls sharply, then again market goes up a little, okay, or market goes sideways. And this is the main theory, okay. Volatility always move from high to low, and if a market is flat, then there is a possibility that market will jump, okay. And seeing the volatility of the previous week, there is a possibility that market will take rest for 1 or 2 days. And right now we can see that though market has successfully hold the current position, but there is not much movement in the market right now. And as we all know, to consider a trend reversal, we need a V pattern. We need a V pattern. Until and unless we get the V pattern, we cannot consider it as a trend reversal. And in the gold USA chart, we still do not have the V pattern. Though market is trying to go up, or though bulls are trying to take the price upward, but still we are not sure whether this is a trend reversal or a pullback. And as I always said, do not trade until and unless you have the confirmation. And this is a Fibonacci level, and just in your charting pattern, okay, just mark this level, just mark this level 61.8. This level is extremely important for you. If I remove it, you can see that, or you saw that this level is important on the Fibonacci retracement. So until and unless market crosses this particular level with good amount of volume, you cannot consider it is a trend reversal. Always keep in mind we need a V pattern, and we have already seen in a Fibonacci retracement that this level is important, 61.8. This level is very important right now, and right now market is trading below the this level or retracement level. Therefore we cannot be too sure. Therefore there is no point of going for buying order here, because we do not have any proper support here. Yes, if I zoom out the chart, yes, there is a support here, but seeing the volatility or seeing the selling pressure of the previous week, still we cannot be too sure. It is a hard-earned money. We need confirmation. We cannot invest our hard-earned money on a chart that we are not sure of. Therefore, do not think about going for buying order, or do not think about going long until and unless market crosses this high that it has made previous week. You can also mark this level in your charting pattern. On the other hand, if market crosses this level, this blue line 1762, if market crosses this level with good volume, then you can short the market. because market is in seller's territory. So if market crosses this level with good amount of volume, then you can short term market. But right now, do not do anything. Do not go for buy order as well as sell order. Because see, right now there is not much movement in the market. Just now, as I've already mentioned, after a big volatile market goes sideways, market needs to take rest, market remains flat. Therefore, do not trade. Let the market give us some movement until and unless market crosses this level or market crosses this level, we will not trade or we should not trade. If you're a scalper, you are an experienced trader, then you can switch to a smaller time frame and go for scalping or 10 small profit. Okay, otherwise if you are a beginner, if you cannot afford to lose any money right now, then this chart is not for you. Wait for some movement. Okay, if market remains sideways or is in this range, do not trade. Wait for the market to cross either this level or this level, then only you should trade. That's it. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.